It's a better ride.
Thank you, everyone. Please walk.
This scanner's looking gorgeous. What are you talking about?
I know, but it always makes me nervous.
Why is it showing me this image, Carly? What is that?
Low battery, maybe?
No, it's full battery. Look at the battery in the corner. Retarded.
Yes, yes.
Oh no, my hand is starting to cramp.
And now, canter, please. Show them at the canter, please.
Donnie's better at the camera. There you go. That looks beautiful.
Keep a minute, Mom. Keep a minute.
Put this foot down a little. Notice.
Probably looks really good. Thanks.
You're welcome.
I think so too.
I think so too. I agree.
Yay. That was nice. We still have to reverse.
Holy crap.
Don't make me nervous.
Come on, Bales.
She's shedding.
What did Dad just say?
No.
It's hot out here. They just want you to trot, pretty much.
It's a very, very fast walk.
Mom, don't do it.
Being good.
I'm not kidding you.
Don't do it.
I don't talk too much.
Go, go, go.
Come on, Mom.
And now, front, please. Front doors, please.
I made it. Nice posture, Mom. I'm liking it. That's the best posture I've ever seen.
Extend the trunk, please.
Extend the trot.
Don't break into a canter.
Are those just like traps to make you like